Father's again and thanks for the love and support that both you and my mum have given us over the years.
Yes!
And thank you so much for looking after mum the way you do.
Oh,
Love you loads.
Thank you. First of Ellie, for the Buffy, and then there's John, and there's Dale, and there's Paula, and there's Stella, for helping me. And this, and last and not least, is all of you for coming here tonight. Thank you very much.
Once again, thanks everyone for coming along. I'm sure Jimmy's enjoyed it.
Well done,
tonight.
Jimmy.
A great night for him. Thank you for everyone coming along. For all the bar staff for serving so wonderfully as well. Man behind me here for entertaining us all night. And of course we leave you with this. The early bird might get the worm, but the second mouse gets all the cheese. Thank you again. Good night, have a good night. Bye.